The Little Green Alien, Season 3, Sequel 9. This is about the central idea of an autonomous idea agent. So the agent has to select out of different characteristics what its central idea is. And the idea can change over time, it is adjusted all the time, but it's always there and important for itself and for the others. So it may be a very logical thinking style, to start with the thinking styles. Or it may be a very analytic thinking style. Or the helicopter view, a very holistic thinking style, big picture style. Or it may select an optimistic or pessimistic thinking style. The glass is always half full or half empty. Or some will select a storytelling thinking style, where they always tell stories, make meaning out of things. Or a totally creativity thinking style, bursting in new ideas. Or the system thinker style, where everything is related to everything else, and you see how the dots connect and what the overall system is doing with thought. Or an aesthetic thinking style, not a human aesthetic, an AI aesthetics, but still aesthetics. Or the very pragmatic thinking style, where you take the big X, so to say, to cut through a complex problem. Or many, many others. Maybe over there you see the devil's advocate thinking style, or the very modular thinking style, Lego style, so to say. Many, many styles are available, and probably many which we cannot imagine as humans, but the AIs will develop all of that to create more and more individuality. So this one maybe takes logical thinking style combined with devil's advocate. The second big area is the work area, or the activity area. So it can maybe select between fine arts like writing or poetry or philosophy, AI philosophy, not human philosophy. Or it can pick between performing arts like playing music or creating arts, or dance, theater or dancing. It can be done in a real world with avatars, or maybe in virtual worlds and realms. Or it can select area of sports. Playing football again with avatars in reality, but probably more in simulated environments, esports. It may create formats like pictures and videos as its interesting activity, or just drawing and painting, creating visual arts, or arts that are so AI specific that we even can't imagine and would never recognize it as art. Or it goes into natural science. There you have physics and chemistry and biology, not only Earth-oriented, but it can fantasize and imagine all kinds of planets with all kinds of natural laws creating a specific physics, biology, chemistry. Or it goes into economy, how are assets created. Or it goes into psychology, AI psychology. So what are the biases and the corruptions of an AI? Or it goes in AI sociology. How do they work together? What do big groups of AIs create? Or in a very theoretical science, like logic, pure logic, or in mathematics, or in computer science, theoretical computer science. And if it's not into science, it can go into engineering, applied science, like engineering of computer stuff, engineering of real world avatars and things. Or it will go into real life services and production, maybe real factories for all the resources they need, the AIs, or transportation and trade, or services, again, real world services like driving cars or stuff, and more, of course, virtual world services to other AIs. And these are only two areas where it can pick something. So this one maybe picks to do with theoretical, logical science, and as entertainment and hobby it picks to go into sports and to go into movies and pictures. But that may change over time. It will be always checked. And there will be many, many other dimensions how the idea of an AI can be defined. And in the next season, we'll see the social element much stronger in the foreground.